This is in the category of there's no law against stupid. There's not. I wish there were. But this is the type of thing. When we talk about discrimination or retaliation, those are really specific things. But if you don't have one of those and all you have is employer dumb, that's not actionable. It's not actionable. We don't have jobs for life. We don't have multi-year contracts, most of us, that say you can only be terminated for extraordinary, bad faith or moral turpitude or something like that. At will is low. You don't even have to say there's cause. It can be without cause. It turns out I don't like you. It's not because of race, creed, color, national origin, or 14 other things under the LAD. It's just, I don't think you fit here. I don't like your personality. I think your sense of humor is terrible. It sounds stupid, but people make decisions, and as long as it's not illegal, they can do that. So here's an example of employee A leaves, tells employee B on the way out the door, do you know what those people did? And the company finds out and says, employee B, you're out. Dumb, but I guess maybe they didn't want to tell employee C. I don't know, but it's not unlawful. That's the best I could say.
For me, and this happened, this is a true story, in 2008, when I was terminated, I was not, I had trouble getting unemployment because the company said I resigned when I didn't resign. Right. And I had a severance agreement and everything like that. And I think a lot of companies, I don't know if they still do that or not, but unless you're really careful and you read stuff, you have to be very careful how they portray things.
Right. Well, this is an interesting thing. First of all, severance agreements, they're not mandatory. It's optional. Many companies have them, especially at the upper levels. Sometimes they have a policy how much you're entitled to because they don't want to fight about it, or have employee A tell employee B out the door, here's what I got, and then employee B says, I happen to know what you gave A. So some of them publish things like that within the company, others don't. New Jersey allows you to collect your unemployment even with a severance agreement. That's unique. So you're getting money for not going to work for 3 months, 6 months, a year, whatever it may be, 2 weeks. There's no law of severance. It's whatever they want to give. And at the same time, you can collect your unemployment. New York does not allow that. New York state law says, come to us for your unemployment benefits when your severance runs out. So you have to be aware of that in your particular jurisdiction.